Gold Triggers. King number 0. Rangers number 5 coming in. Number 22, Magellan. Number 21, Ako Fan. Number 21, Dion Son. Fourth five of the young owners. Number 8, Poltron. Number 12, Salsa. Number 24, Banayo, Pagunayo. Number 28, Vienes. Number 11, Corolana. Double lineup, Yunson and number 9. Number 8, and one pass to number 24, Owatake. Diaz Sunak. Kita una pass to Yunson, Pinawan. And out of bounds, the young boys ball. Number 22, nagpapalalang pass of Pican. Box number 22. Pull-up jumper. Wala. Yes, correct. Two points, number 12. Pican, Canada. Number 21, Trey Martin. Yes, correct. Pican, dapat sa Yunson. Owatake. Yes, correct. 2 points. Yunson. Number 12, dapat sa number 18, pull-up jumper. Yes. Number 12, back to number 24, pull-up jumper. Wow. And out of bounds. The young Warriors ball. Number 12, 24, pull-up. Ball Rangers number 71, Aki. First personal foul, Aki. First team foul, Little Cougars. Ball Rangers number 12. Awa. And the center, Samba. Samba to number 8. Yes, 2 points. Tinggal Baguan. Baguan dan Luna. Box ini kaki dan akan terpilih pasu. Yunson Sadan. He is a traveling violation. Warning for Tingkan. Number 21. Yunson. to number 24.
Sa
Fuentes. Renato Menez. Menez sumubok. Time out. Close Rivers.
score 4-11 in favor of Young Bola Scouts. 4-11.
Shinobi. Remaining time 7 minutes and 31 seconds. On the score 4-11. In favor of Young Bullers. Sebaik Awan Tiga. Tiga waktu Awan. Awan adalah pasir number 5. David Wala. Number 24 na pagdalay.
Shot! Ay!
Wala pa rin. Reba ka ni Sir David. David sa Kika sa Awan. Awan dalawang pasu. Aki! Yes! Collecting points. Aki! Number 12 was Tobias. Dinex. Wala. Reba ka ni Awan. Awan pasu. Kika.
Fire!
Again out of bounds.
Score 6-11 in favor of YPC.
Kika to Gambit. Yes, correct. 2 points. Gambit. Yes. There's a equal. Young Bullers ball. Yes, number 34. No, Colana. Tiga para el paso. Johnson. Wow, this is a run. They're going to pass it themselves. Yes, correct. 2 points. Johnson. Number 34 pass to Colana. No pass to number 3. And out of bounds. Gabriel pass to Amuhar, back to Gabriel. Gabriel is a currently violation. Celebrate home flag of PNS. To number 84, Double Thrown. And that's number Kika. Yes, 2 points. Kika. PNS have already passed it. Yes, correct. Kika pula no pas to Aguhar. To Aki. Time out. Substitution. 2 points. Ball 9. And then number 29 to Baham. Baham to number 30. They go in there and pass to number 30 again. What a high number 23. Yes, correct. Kami ilan kakonari ang tanong ko na si Mr. Nalilan. Power jersey number 29. Early Pittman. Yes, 2 points. Amon. Amon. Kami ilan kulang. Kami ilan kawasan paso. Osorio o atake. Power jersey number 9. First personal foul number 9, 13 foul, Young Bowlers. Second by Mr. Osorio and Joker Spring. What a high. No muscle, Amon. Good point. Yes, correct. 2 points. Amon. Underneath him in Mula. Napakagaling sa Mr. Nagdome. Bob to Tagina. Tagina. It's not turning violation. Young Bowlers ball. Set by ball run. To number 53. Tumawan. Amang naman. Good one naman. And our balls. The same ball. Amang. Nakikita pasin. And our balls. The same ball. Ako tingnan mo lang masunod. Bola na tingnan mo makakulapan. Ako put jumper. Underneath and the rebound. And that's in the 23. No rebound. Yes, correct. Doon ang to. Dapat marinig kasi. Marinig. Dapat marinig. Isa na rin. Good one. Wala pa rin. Osorio. Sana na yung box originally. And our box, Young Bowlers ball. Our box, Little Riddler's ball. Samurai Nayon, Nayon to, Oporio to Kamira. Kamira, pamalik sa Mr. Kamira. Wala. It's a troubling violation. The same ball. Samurai, no one. Doyo to Kamira. Ball runner number 55, double roll. Second personal foul, ball run. Warning for penalty. Young bowlers. Ball one. Awal pasok. Receive ball. Roma 2-1. Awal pasok number 13. It's a traveling violation. Last 2 minutes. Tabiliran masuk. Wahai. Wala. Tengok oleh Osorio. Osorio Reina. Bola pass. Bola pass. And out of box, the young bowler's ball. Awal pengeran bola. Awal pass to number 13, bola pass. Here ball up by Osorio. Osorio to 21. Back to Tabiliran. 15 seconds shutdown.
Score 16.
Tabiliran to Reina. 10. 5. Waiting for second violation. Sarah Bomb to 1. Our double press. Jump ball. Below the reverse ball. Doyon to the Reina. Last 1 man. Ball jersey number 19, Tabiliran. 51 seconds remaining. Bonus throw by Mr. Awad and jumpers ready. First personal foul, Tabiliran. Second team foul, Flo Richards. Number 23, pass and out of bounds. 47 seconds remaining. Regaling. 45. Regaling. Pass to the Regaling. It's a traveling violation. 40 seconds remaining. Number 9 to 1. Awal to Buluran. Buluran 2. Awal back to Awal. Yes, to that 2 points. Awal. 25. Here's a jump ball. Time out, young bowlers.
big club, lain-lain good, pero majority sa Dawis.
Agawes.
Ngayon, tagpilaba na yung Dawis. Pero ang kadaghanan, Dawis.
Agawes na lang. Kailangan.
Kani? Oo. Buha rin, di Dawis. Ano? Pero, oh.
Back to the movie. 21 seconds remaining. Roberto Paul to number 54 heads. Abandoned to the break. He has to have 2 points. A 1. 5. Time for the first quarter. Out of score, 16-27 in favor of Young Ballers. Box in the boogie. Start of the second quarter. Number 3. Loboso, passing number 15. 7 to 9. Started by Mr. Lamar. Again, Lupon. Wala pa rin. Takakamas na rin. Again, kumiro at paso. At yes po, Cortez. Benitez. Double ball number 1 of Young Ballers and number 26 of Blue Dreamers. We're in receiver 10. Again, back to the break. 1 point. Ball we're in jersey number 1. Second personal foul, number 1. Set. Ball we're in jersey number 1. Third personal foul, rounded on. And one more penalty, Young Ballers. Second ball by Mr. number 30. Correct. Number 26, Paso Loboso. Loboso to number 28, Paso Loboso. Super Bowl. Everyone. It's the one, number 26.
Nice try.
Pick it up. Forward jersey number 20. Penalty situation. First round kick. Wow. Center line serve taken and jumpers ready.
Score 17-29 in favor of YPC.
Yes, for the 1 point. Forward jersey number 13, Aniesco. First personal foul, Aniesco, and second team foul, Flo Rivers. Loboso, the number 1, and second serve. The heart of it, plus 2. Out of bounds, the same ball. Sideline, the bottom, pass to the neck, and the second number 26 to number 18. To number 1 side, you not yet to have 2 plays. Number 1. The bottom.
Nice.
Time out, Flo Rivers. Defense. Central and Mr. Navarre and jumpers ready. Wow. Number 10, click on. Up to number 10. Go to Loboso. Up to number 10. 10 seconds shut off. Actually, wow, half time rebound. Half time to Yeah, go to bar. 15 seconds shut off. 10. Down title. 1 off on it. Yes, number 10, number 10, number 10, Nias Sulas. Yek Dracula. Yek. Yes, to that 2 points, number 26, top 5. Number 3, Basu. Forward jersey number 23, Tapapanaw. First personal foul, Tapapanaw, and learning for penalty, Flo Rivers. Central Minister, number 6, number 3. Wala pa rin, number 1, Bibon. Yes, to that. 2 points. center of the line. Young Bowlers ball. Number 10, Joe. Number 3, box number 10. Boom with the pass. Here we go, number 26. Nakapaling Mr. Nakapano to the bar. The bar being hit. 15 seconds left. Forward is number 20, Big Bull. Penalty situation. Second personnel call, Big Bull, and penalty. Good catch. Number 26, plus in number. 7 and 9. Yang kedua. Yang akan to the break. And our ball facing wall. 16 seconds shut down.
Beda.
16 seconds shut down. The bar by Yasco. 3 points on Yasco. Number 26.
Ay, kapida.
Number 15, and penalty situation. First personnel call, Yang. Penalty. Two lines. Second over extra number 10. Jumpers ready. Net to 2 points. Yang, pass to Kapan. Kapan sideline, 1 on hand. Hot on to Young Bowlers ball. Number 10, number 20, Pulo. Pulo. Ball number 13, Aniasco. Penalty. Second personal call, Aniasco, and penalty. One. Zero by Mr. Piccolo and jumpers ready. 15 seconds out, number 1. 1 out on end. The ATM. Back to the lane. Number 7 on the next number 10. So,
Very good.
yes, you got 2 points on number 18. Tingnan nila muna. Foul number 19.
Score 39-24 in favor of YPC.
Penalty. Tidak menang rebound, tidak memampu. Yes, sudah 2 points. Mampu. Ball number 37, Mampu. Penalty. First personal foul, Mampu. Penalty. Wala. Second throw in, number 6, San Jimmer's ready.
Shot kay birthday ni mo.
Hoy. Hoy.
1 point.
Na.
Tidak naman na sila sa Rita. Umapake.
Kaya ko ba? Ana. 20.
Ball number 10.
Kaya ko lang. Tubig.
Penalty.
No, ana nila.
First personal foul, number 10. Step throw, jumper's ready. Correct. Control to Arao. And Silengo. Osorio. Tokika. Ika. Lumipad. Foul receiver 18. Ball runners in number 11. First person of all, Bollywood. Penalty. Second row number 6 and number 3. Who next? Tiga, dapat diselesaikan tiga. It's a turn violation. Flow Rivers ball. Tommy Home. Ball to Ika. Ika adalah bola. Dan selesai. Tommy Home jumper. Right 2 points. Tommy. And second number 11. And then now number 6. Number 10, box number 18. 18. 15, 7, shutdown. Number 6, Benjamin. By 7. Number 18, Osorio. Second personal foul, Osorio, penalty. Second row weapons, number 6, number 3. Hingga dengan bola. Hingga 2, number 2, Luke Bond. Bola. Ambil bola, masuk Osorio. Osorio. Offensive foul. Number 18. Osorio. Third personal foul. Osorio. Samuel Walker and number 18. And out of bounds, Flow Rivers ball. Tiga, lepas Hamilton. Hamilton, good pass, Mr. Hamilton, bola. Now by Osorio, Osorio Hamilton, big ball, bola, man. Number 7. Number 12, ball. First personal foul, Bollywood. Penalty. Maintenance of Pulatia. Second row weapons is number 18. And number 3. What eye? Number 3 on. And Tampa welcome to number 6. Yes, 2 points.
Score 33-45 in favor of RBC.
Tiga. Dari sekarang kita masuk Bollywood. 5, 3, King Kai Gananula. Guarded by number 10, King Kai. Repeat session of King Kai to the ring. Ball number 6.
Score 36-47 in favor of YBC.
Who next?
Gamay yan, Rock, promise.
Central Webmaster King Kai, number 3. Back to the number 2 points. Time out, low of Young Dreamers. Young Horse.
Say guys.
Back to the building. Running time, 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Score 39-47 in favor of YBC.
Number 18, number 3, Maya. Number 3, Maya. Bullet jumper. Big pass, Maya Rima, Maya Rima. Ika, number 6, Wasoyo, number 1. Stand in the line. Number 11, 2, Ika. Pull for the pass. Voila. Yes, man, 2 points. Number 12. Number 18 to number 6. On balls. No, the River's ball. He got back to the ring. Ball on the pass. Pass! 3 points. That's 1 minute. Another ball, speed save ball. 55 seconds remaining. Fifteen seconds now. Then, rebound on 1. And it's going to be done. Foul number 25, Both Roy. Penalty. Who next? 2 points by Mr. Mika. Control pass to number 18. 30 point. And that's Mr. Mika to body break. 27. Basket count. Number 28. Ball number 18. Bonus roll by Mr. Wala. Rebound. Jumbo. Young Boris ball. 24 seconds remaining. Start on the third quarter. Low Rivers ball. Servais Hermoso Doctor. Ika ni Rangura. Siapa orangnya? Bola kaki pasu. Rikip. Super ball. Bola. Number 0, no hasil. Number 88. Yes. Yes. We got 2 points. Yes. Tidak ke Osorio. Osorio confidence Mr. Osorio. Wala. Osorio rebound sideline. Wala pa rin. Takakaw. Wala. Ay, nasa kanya sa rin eh. Regale Tomika. Kika. 50 seconds up. Yes. That's good. 2 points. Yes. Regale na muna pa na ni Mr. Regale. Kaya sa pass to number 71-2. Osorio. Yes, that's our violation.
Score 48-51 in favor of YBC.
And the Mr. Ray Kevin. Ray Kevin, paglalagay na naman si Mr. Ray Kevin. Ray Kevin, lumipad!
Ah! Nice rebound!
24. It's a dominant violation. Substitution.
Sure mo na.
Seven and number 34, put it on two, double three. 2 points, Gilas. Karanigan ito Kika. Kika na makalagay na lang sickness ng Kika. Kika attack sa naman yung pass to. Ayaw yapan, ayaw ng Kika May. Kika nilang pass to number 71. Wala pa rin. And on the balls, Young Bullers ball. Several yes, yes, nagkanan ko lang. Yes, wala, 2 points. Ray Elman. Number 34. Low pass to number 2. Number 1, yes, wala. Number 11, Honpola. Ray Elman ito sa Borneo, Pasal Ball. Ball number 17, Ray Kevin.
Score
Time out, Flo Dreamers.
Score 50-57 in favor of OIBC. Third quarter, 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Score 57 YBC, 50 Flow Dreamers.
Bullets throw at Mr. Borneo. And jumpers Ray. Yelling at entry. Young Bullers ball. Seven yes, so hold for now. Number 12. Number 1 off jumper. Now hold for the second. Bring on it. Tiga dengan orang harga yang servis. Tiga pasuk takak bola. Di save ball. Serve Osorio. Paso, Riquelme. Louis Bond. Wala pa rin. Osorio. And a pause. The young Bullers ball. Diaz. To the number 24, number 12. On top of the ring. Slides down. Line 7.
Score 50-59 in favor of YBC.
Number 71, foul. Happy. Second personal foul, Happy. 70 foul, Floyd Rivers. Second foul, Lannister. Number 12, Jumpers ready. Huda. Sarway, Mr. Osorio to. Tika. Tika ang mapanagay ang paso. Riquelme. Subo. Yes. 3 points. Riquelme. 5-3. Number 18, Osorio. Foul. Warning order. Disqualification, Mr. Osorio.
Score 53-61 in favor of
13 foul. Nabitawan, down. Agi to Tika. It's a traveling violation. Yes. Number 34. Three seconds violation. Seven balls for Liverpool. 8-9 babalik. Masuk. Ay, nabi kawan na babalik. Bakit kita? Kita jalan ulang. 50 seconds down. Takao. Yes. Put up 2 points. Takao. Yes. Jalan ulang. The number 24. To Sapa. Sapa to Bulpula. Anderson Benfica. Jalan ulang. Dan pembeli nama si Jeremy Kapan Takao. Baik. Sapa Bulpula. Number 11. And number 2. Number 12. Second personal foul, number 12. And second team foul. First team foul, the young voters. Osorio sakit, tak, bola. Nah, pokoknya dan saya nilai number. Ada Riquelme. Yang kita bersama. Osorio waktu Riquelme. Isapa, bola. Kapan rebound, kapan untuk Osorio. Osorio, to Riquelme. Dengan baik. It's a traveling violation. BNS.
Score 57-61 in favor of YBC.
Paso Salva. And sa teknika. Ingat pamanin. Paso Osorio. Back to Kika. Boom. Nice. One up and rebound. Takap and rebound. And out of bounds. DC ball. Hong Kong. Ultima. Okay, back to the game. Sân Amwan. Going get back to one. Ball running to number 55. Serve on one, Anderson, and ball facing ball. Third person foul, borderline. 17 foul, Young Borders. Gabriel throwing again. Getting it, back to him. 2. Good. One. Wala pa rin. Higit subo. Wala. Number 21. Ang one pull-up jumper. Wala pa rin. Ang one na rebound. No. Number 55. So, baka. Pull na tres. Wala. Ang one. Ball number 22, Alwan.
Score 50.
First personal foul, Alwan.
57-61 in favor of White Wings. Third quarter, 3 minutes and 59 seconds.
Yes, that's the point. Number 10. Alwan. Pass to number 56. It's an offensive foul. Number 26, offensive foul. Amon adalah yang ancam terbaik. Amon masuk yang belum masuk. Number 26. Amon wala. Number 20 rebound to number 10. Belum masuk. Kick. 10 seconds left. Rebound number 10. Number 10 on an impossible Anderson with Mr. Alhan. Yay. Hey, naman yung Awon sa ilalim. Yes, correct. 2 points. Awon. Agihan. To Yay. Yay attack is ready. One point. Number 18. Low pass number 18. Good point. Yes, correct. 2 points. Number 18. Yay. Kaya naman. Awon. Lumipay. Time out. Flow Rivers. Remaining time 1 minute and 53 seconds. Our score 57-67 in favor of Young Waters. And back to the game. Flow Rivers ball. Serban Alhan untuk Amin. Amin dengan kurang 50 seconds left. Amin wala rebound. And out of bounds, the Young Waters ball. Alhan. Number 10. 55 back to 9 as ay namatay yung Mr. Alhan to number 10. 5 seconds left. Alhan. Alhan nakamata yung pass to number 10. Number 10. Wala ka. For that, Rangers in number 18, 2 points. 21. Foul number 23. Penalty. Number 8. Wow. 40 points. Remaining time 14 seconds. 16 shot clock remaining. Gabriel. 10. Alhan for the jumper. Swapping. 2 points to Alhan. Anderson in the Mr. Time. Now right from the name. Jackie Alhan. Foul number 26. Alhan.
Score 59-69.
Warning for penalty.
59-69 in favor of YBC.
First personal foul, Alhan. Warning for penalty.
21 seconds third quarter.
Wala pa rin. Ball number 22 on Muhar, penalty. Second personal foul on Muhar, penalty. Next. Set trumpet jumpers ready. Voila. Alarm. 10 seconds remaining. 5. Last 3 seconds. Low Rivers ball. Last 3 seconds. And on the third quarter, on the score 59-17 in favor of Young Bullers.
Score 59-70 in favor of YBC. Fourth quarter na. Last quarter.
Clock still looking. Start of the fourth and last quarter. Seven number 24. To be next. Corona. Voila. And out of ball, Stacey ball. 16 seconds shutdown. Sun ball. 15 seconds shutdown. 10. Ball number 0, Pika. First personal ball, Pika. First team foul. It's a traveling violation. Pika. Dr. 1. 10 seconds shutdown.
Oh, Mark! Ay!
2 points. Yes, to that 2 points. Kita pasangan sini sekarang Hamilton. Pasir, oh, yes, 2 points. And it's making Pika trying to paint. Wow! Reba Mohan rebound, right side of foul. Foul number 26. Substitution. Salva.
Nice, your.
Wala yung minister. 10 seconds shutdown. 5 seconds shutdown. It's a traveling violation.
Score 72-65 in favor of YBC. 8 minutes and 10 seconds to fourth quarter.
Higa na muna. Higa. Pasok ako hard. Yes, back 2 points. Ako hard. Pasok sa ball. Ang lakas. Out of bounds. Flow to Rivers ball. Higa na muna. Higa. Pasok sa iyo. Number 18, Louis Bond. And out of bounds. Substitution. Other number. Poppy the lot to Aguhan. Aguhan the Pika. Fifteen seconds shutdown. By 7. Number 12, Salva.
Score 67-72 in favor of YBC. 7 minutes and 23 seconds sa fourth quarter. Well, 68 gamay na uwang.
Third personal foul, Salva, and second team foul, Young Bullers.
Hello.
Wala ni Romelos Osorio. It's a traveling violation. Substitution. Substitution. Al-Baki. Karabuhan Topika. 10 seconds shutdown. Foul number 12, Salva. Warning for disqualifications, Mr. Salva. And third team foul, Young Bullers. Set by Mr. Aguhan Topika. Higa back to Aguhan. Aguhan. Out of bounds, DC ball.
Score 68-72.
6 seconds shutdown.
68-72 in favor of YBC.
6 seconds shutdown. 5. Rebound number 10. Naman naman. Attack to the paint. Baso. Ang pulang jumper. Suave. Higa yan mula. Higa to Aguhan. Aguhan gusto bumawin. Yes, back to boys. Aguhan. Aguhan na naman. Nakamalaling seconds round. By people sa duty. Number ball number 23, Talakanaw.
Score 70-74 in favor of YBC. 6 minutes and 33 seconds.
The same ball. Third personal foul, Talakanaw, and second team foul, Flow Rivers. 15 seconds shutdown. The 1, then Osorio Saki. Yes, another 2 points. Osorio. Number 23, Navane. Number 1. Yes, another 2 points. And the second number 21. Voila, Mr. Osorio. Salon. Wow, aman naman. Ay, aman yung sa nakakalaw. Para naman na yung sa nakakalaw. And the second number 10. Number 10 naman ang pabalik. Looking for. Wala. Hindi mo naman. Very long way. Hanapan ito sa kawan.
Pasa!
Teka na lang. Number 23, Kabakanaw. Warning for disqualification number 23, substitution.
Score 72-76 in favor of YBC. 72-76 in favor of YBC. 5 minutes and 24 seconds sa fourth quarter. Shout out to Jane.
Warning for disqualification Kabakanaw and third team
Shout
foul.
out to Jing and nagatod sa GF.
Unayo, boxing number 10.
Uy. Saan ito?
Ball number 27, Hopito. 7% of ball, Hopito, and warning for penalty, no Rivers.
Score 72-76 in favor of YBC. Sub. Score 72-76 in favor of YBC. 5 minutes and 14 seconds of the fourth quarter.
Center number 33. And a second Kilby. Right in the pass, looking down. Okay, now we're going to get the big. Now we're going to get the big. Passing the big. Pull it. That one is number. Lopez number 10. Lakas naman nun. On pause.
Langaw. Score still the same, 72-76. 5 minutes of the fourth quarter. Labaw ang YBC.
Pero may wait ka na eh.
4 points. Ay.
Box it again. Break it into the Kita. Kita ang mabalik. At ang dami sa Kita. Box of Kita. Kita. On the bounce. Young Fuller's ball. Ako, natagalan ko na. Punayo, box to on. Shows number 10. Yes, kuya, 2 points. On. Para sa Ray-Kevin. Ray-Kevin yung matake. Malakas. And out of bounds. Young Fuller's ball.
Score 72-78 in favor of YBC. 4 minutes and 12 seconds of fourth quarter. 72.
On. 15 seconds off. 10. 5. 3 seconds violation. Kita. 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 15 seconds off. Wala. Narinig ba din sa mga ball? Ako na yung kawasan. foul by Mr. Number 26, Ahon. Samayo, Ekerneto. Ika. Ben Senasiyo. Wala. Ikaw na lang sa liwan sa ng basta rin ng step back for three. Wala. Ahon. Isa sa mga mga Mr. Ahon.
Score 72-78.
Time out. Flow Rivers.
Score 72-78 in favor of YBC. 3 minutes and 14 seconds of fourth quarter.
Remedy time, 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Score 72-78 in favor of Young Motors. And box in the league. Flow Rivers ball. Send by Mr. Ahon, body drop. Body by Mr. Ahon, king up. And second position. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Ahon, sideline. By Mr. Green. Ball number 24. Bornado. First personal foul, Bornado. And a warning for Young Motors. Second row by Mr. Ahon. And jumpers ready.
Score 7. Ayoko shot. Ay, salamat.
Wala.
73-78 in favor of
Last 3 minutes.
last 3 minutes.
15 seconds left. Ahon, 10 seconds to shoot. Hingga 15 sila Ahon. Ahon feet. Ahon. Yes, to that 2 points. Ahon.
75-78 score in favor of YBC. 3 points lead by YBC. Patay!
Ready, and the second finisher, Osorio. Osorio. Wow! Yes, to that 2 points. Osorio. Time out. Young Motors. Muramo Corpus, last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Final score, 77-78 in favor of Young Motors.
Score half shot na lang ang Labaw. 77-78 in favor of YBC. Half shot na lang. 2 minutes and 20 seconds sa fourth quarter.
Pero sir, pagawin mo ito gabi, pagawin mo ito sa advance, wala mo ito sa boss, kay dito,
50 seconds to shoot. Remain Sumo. 3 points. Remain. 10. And the second, Mr. Remain. Moving on. Technical foul number 23. Wala.
Score 80-78 in favor of Flow Dreamers na. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Substitution.
Woo! Score.
Abuhan Molina. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball number 3, Pines. Second personal ball, Pines. And penalty. Wala. Central Master, Inka, and Jumpers Bay. Wala. Ranking na rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. The ring and main. Isa pa. Wala. Dapat ni number 1. Number 3. Dapat ni number 3. Pass to intercept and it's an Abuhan. Abuhan. Ay, nakahin sa Abuhan. Wala pa rin. Pero may Osorio. Last 1 minute. Abuhan. Wala pa rin. Dapat ni number Pines, people. Wala! May mga Mr. Ricken. Ricken din, napakalay naman. Bakit? Tamaan sa bika. 8.
Balik, balik.
Eight seconds violation.
37 seconds, 80-78. Paningo po mo?
That's how it is. Yes.
27 in favor of YBC. Half shot lang. 27 27.5 seconds sa remaining sa fourth quarter.
Remaining time, 27 seconds. Final score, 80-81 in favor of Young Bullers.
Okay,
No
kulbaan na.
more timeout, now Flow Dreamers. And one timeout in Young Bullers.
Katrolling ball. So 80-81.
27 seconds remaining.
So inabaw na po Flow Dreamers o half shot. 82-81.
No more timeout, both teams.
14
On
seconds.
the score, 82-81 in favor of Flow Dreamers. Remaining time, 14 seconds.
So score 82-81 in favor of Flow Dreamers. Flow Dreamers. 14 seconds. 14 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter. So ikulbaan na ang mga parents. Huwag ang video.
Young Bullers ball. Remaining time for 10 seconds.
YBC! YBC! Oy, paligid sa mga.
And that's 10.
3.8 seconds. 82-81. Ano ko yung masad, JC? Ay!
Second row of answer being off and jumpers ready. Remaining time 3.8 seconds. Hello, 2 points. Equal violation. Remaining time 2.5 seconds. Out of score 84-81 in favor of Flow Dreamers.
Ay!
First row Osorio. One up. Synchromizer Osorio and jumpers ready. Ready time 1.2 seconds. One time Florida.
84-81. So